How to change font in Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to change font in Brave browser. To change font in Brave browser, simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open Brave browser. In the top right corner, click on 3 lines to open Brave menu. Now, click on Settings. A new window will appear. In Settings, on the left side panel click on Appearance. Scroll down, under Content there is a font size option. In front of that click on drop-down menu. Now you can see many font options. Select your desired font. And that's it. This is how you can simply change font size in Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.